Let's make banana walnut blender muffins by Hungry Girl. Spray muffin tins or silicone cups with nonstick cooking spray and preheat an oven to 400 degrees. Measure out 2 cups of oatmeal, instant or old-fashioned, and add to a blender. Pulse oats to the consistency of coarse flour. Add 3 ripened bananas to the blender. Measure out 1/2 cup of liquid egg whites and add to the blender. 1 cup non-fat Greek yogurt goes into the blender. Next, add unsweetened almond milk, 1/4 cup. Measure and add 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Next, add in your cinnamon, 1 teaspoon. Measure and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add a pinch of salt, 1/4 teaspoon. Add in 1/4 cup brown sugar substitute. I use Sucrin Gold. Put the lid on your blender and blend ingredients at high speed until completely smooth and uniform, stopping and starting as needed. Scrape the sides of the blender if needed. Next, measure out 36 grams of walnuts. Using a ladle or rolling pin, crush walnuts, add half into the batter, reserving the other half. Equally distribute the batter among the muffin cups. Taking the reserved walnuts, sprinkle each muffin with a few walnuts, pressing in lightly. Transfer muffins to oven and bake for 16 to 18 minutes until toothpick inserted comes out clean. Transfer baked muffins to a wire rack to cool completely. Unmold muffins once cooled and store in refrigerator. Each muffin is 2 smart points on the My WW Plus green plan.